Hello, good day, everybody. Um, we have had shrewdness around us, especially in business or in our work. We must embrace the in betweens. We are starting to see things a lot more clearly now. We've tried out a whole lot of things in our lives, and we can see there's brightness in our future. We've made good plans in the past, and our ships are coming in. And they say it's time today to take some time to rest and rejuvenate. You need to pace yourself for the changes that are coming your way. They are all positive, bigger, and better things are coming for you. Just relax and trust God. They say that you are going to be protected against negative forces beyond your control. So clear out the clutter. The magic works through you. It isn't a time to hold on to those troubles any longer. Let them go. There are speedy good things coming your way. Our number card is 666 and it's reflection. When you allow time for reflection, you allow yourself to see where inner shifts are needed. It is time for you to look at your beliefs and ask, is this serving me or is it time for me to release this? Reflect, refocus, and readjust. Your psychic abilities are growing stronger and you need to trust your inner voice. Be the peace and calm in all situations. You are being taken care of by the angels. Your miracles are endless, they want you to know. And they say if it is meant to be, it will be. You don't have to force, convince, or worry over it. Let it flow, let it be, and let it come to you. You are attracting everything you need. Trust the timing of your life. Be positive, and they say it is safe for you to let go of old emotional pain. Love heals fear, says your loved ones, and your creative energies are in full bloom. Express yourself. I love you very much.